What is a digital business? I'm going to break it down into simple terms. People hear digital business and get confused. Let's break it down into simple terms. I didn't know what it was in the beginning. Ever wondered what a digital business actually is? Let's just make it simple. Most people assume they need a product or inventory, but they don't. Let's talk about what a real digital business is and how it works. Stay with me because I'm going to break it down into the easiest way possible. What exactly is digital business? Explaining it simply so everyone will understand it a bit more. I wish I knew in the beginning. It's a business that exists 100% online. No physical inventory, no shipping or handling. Everything is delivered digitally, like courses, guides, or software. You can work from anywhere with a laptop, cell phone, and Wi-Fi. It's built on systems that work for you. Instead of selling one-on-one individually, it's about one to many at the same time. Customers come through sales funnels and automation. Money flows in without trading your time for money. You own the asset and keep 100% profits. No monthly fees or commission splits ever. No boss or middleman taking a cut. You're the CEO of your own business. You're building a real business, not just a side hustle. If you're tired of trading time for money, drop a fire sign in the comments. Let me know, because this is the real deal. My next video, I'm going to talk about business that can actually pay you for life. That'll be episode 22 on how to create a business that pays you for life. Questions? Shoot me an email or put your email in the description, my link, and get a free guide.